Welcome to the blackbox22 training videos. In this video we'll be creating a project. We're going to create a project. So when Blackbox comes up, we're going to click on New Project. And the New Project dialog box comes up. And a user can click in here and pick the appropriate console that they want. And we're going to use this ADAC. They can specify the project directory where this project's going to be stored, and they can give it a name, and we'll just call it Training Video 1. We specify in here what the version of the ADAC we're using. We can put in a Works Approval ID 123. The name, so we'll go in here, we'll just call this Training Video 1. The owner, so we'll say this is the console. The receiver, we'll put in here console also. The drawing number, I'm just going to say 1. We've got our drawing revision date, the construction date in here, a description if we wanted to. This is training video. We'll go into the status. This is preliminary. I'm going to slide it on down. The export date and time. There's our date, our coordinate system, so we're just going to grab this map grid Australia. Our horizontal datum, so we'll go geodetic datum of Australia, and our vertical datum of Australia height datum is approximate, we'll say is true, and original mark I'm going to say it's peg 1 2 3 4, and notes demo. And as I keep on coming down here, engineering name, I'm going to just say it's Robert. The date approved, the software product, the version that we're using, and our surveyor will also say this is Robert. Down at the bottom we have what are called project defaults. I'm going to click on project defaults, and what this is these are all the different assets that come with this console. So in the ADAC, for stormwater, it has stormwater, sewage, water, open space, transportation, cadastre, and supplementary. For the stormwater, these are all the different assets here. And so what a user can do can go through here and set the default values that they want to use. So for instance, for a pit, for the diameter in there, they might want to put it in this as 1050. And this way, when they start creating assets later on, it'll use whatever default values are set in here. Now this can be changed at any time. Now if a user switches between a different one, so I'll go to open space, the dialog updates and it shows all the different open space assets that can be added, and there will be more in here. Okay, so you can change any of those. I'm just going to go OK here, and I'm going to go OK, and that is creating a project. And when it's all finished, you'll get a blackbox22 tool space to come up here showing us our project name, and at the moment we've got a category with no lines, points, or polygon features.